Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. This is our second video review for the comparison of the Techlife Smartband, comparing it with a H1 smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to compare the menus and features. On our previous video, we compared the design, the specs, and the UI. This time, we'll compare the offered menus and features. So if you are interested to see the difference of the Techlife Smartband versus the H1 smartwatch when it comes to features, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and compare the menus and features of the Techlife Smartband compared with our H1 smartwatch. For the menus or for the UI, we have the notifications on top for our H1, settings and options for the Techlife. On the bottom part, for the H1, settings and options, notifications for the Techlife. It is the opposite. Okay, we have the widgets here. And to access the menu, just swipe here for our H1. For the Techlife, just press the power button. And here are the details on the features. We do have activity tracking, sports functions. Okay, check out the number of sports here. We have swimming here, we don't have it here. Limited sports for our H1 compared to our Techlife. Okay, for the Techlife, we do have a lot of sports functions here. I guess it is around 100. Then we also have here the sleep monitoring. We also have a heart rate. We also have blood oxygen monitoring, sleep monitoring, Bluetooth music control. We also have it here. Okay, we have here the Bluetooth music control. For the H1, the advantage of this wearable, it has a Bluetooth call. We don't have it here on the Techlife. We only have a push notification. So we have weather reports, we have a flashlight. Other than that, they almost have the same features here. Okay, and of course, the advantage for the Techlife here is the sports functions. It has a lot of sports functions and it is more accurate compared to our H1. The advantage of the H1 compared to our Techlife when it comes to features is the Bluetooth call. We don't have it here on our Techlife Smartband. For the settings, let me show you the settings. So here are the settings. Both to have a comprehensive options on the settings, but I like the settings here for our Techlife. There's a lot of options compared to our H1. Okay, so that's it for the comparison of the menus and features of our Techlife Smartband, comparing it with a H1 smartwatch. Again, we have here comprehensive sports functions compared to our H1. For the H1, we do have a Bluetooth call. And for the Techlife, we only have a push notifications or call notification support. Okay. So that's it for the comparison of the review of the menus and features for our Techlife Smartband, comparing it with the H1 smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.